Have you ever sat alone in a quiet room, carrying a heavy heart, wondering, when will Allah listen to your heart? You pray, you make dua. People often ask, why does Allah make us wait? When you call out to someone and they answer immediately, it is a response. But when Allah makes you wait, it is a preparation. He is not ignoring you. He is molding you. He is building your strength, expanding your patience, and drawing you closer to Him. Think about the seed planted deep within the dark earth. It sits in complete darkness, covered by dirt, unable to see the light. It might feel buried and forgotten, but in reality, it is not buried. It is planted. It is growing roots so that when it finally emerges, it can stand strong against the storm. Your delay is not a denial. It is a season of growth in the dark. Sometimes the pain is so deep that you cannot even find the words to pray. You fold your hands, you raise your palms, but your tongue feels tied. Do not worry if you cannot articulate your pain. Allah does not need elegant speeches or poetic words. He reads the unspoken language of your heart. A broken heart speaks directly to the throne of Allah. When you sit on your prayer mat, overwhelmed and silent, your silence is a prayer. Your tears are a prayer. Your heavy sighs are a prayer. He knows what you are asking for, even before the thought takes shape in your mind. Look at the lives of those whom Allah loved the most, the prophets. Prophet Yaqub wept for his son Yusuf until he lost his sight. For years and years, his heart ached with separation. Yet he said, I only complain of my suffering and my grief to Allah. He did not give up hope. He waited. And in the end, Allah restored his sight and brought his son back to him as a king. Your story is no different. The pain you are holding today has an expiration date. The hardship you are facing is temporary, but the reward for your patience is eternal. Why does the waiting feel so painful? Because we live in a world of instant answers. We want solutions immediately, but divine timing operates on perfection, not speed. If Allah answered every prayer the moment we asked, we would never learn the beauty of reliance, Tawakkul. We would never discover the warmth of waking up in the last third of the night, feeling His presence close to us. Sometimes Allah holds back a blessing just to keep you coming back to Him, because He loves hearing your voice. He loves the sincere, raw emotion of a heart that realizes it has nowhere else to go except Him. Take a deep breath right now. Let go of the need to control everything. You were never meant to carry the weight of the universe on your shoulders. You were meant to place your trust in the one who holds the universe in His hands. Say to yourself, it is in Allah's hands now. When you release your worries to Him, a calm settles over your spirit. You stop asking when and start trusting how. You begin to understand that His plan for you is far greater than anything you could have imagined for yourself. Have you ever looked back at your life and realized that something you once begged for would have broken you if you had received it? Allah's protection often looks like rejection. When He closes a door, it is not because He wants to leave you out in the cold. It is because that room was no longer safe for your soul. Trust His withholdings as much as you trust His gifts. Both are expressions of His mercy. When Allah finally answers your prayer, He does not just give you what you wanted. He gives it to you in a way that fills your heart with overwhelming gratitude. He turns your night into day. He heals the exact spot where it used to hurt. He brings people into your life who heal the wounds left by others. And when that moment comes, you will look back at your days of sadness and whisper, Allah was listening all along. To the one who feels exhausted today, to the one who feels like giving up, to the one whose faith feels fragile, do not lose heart. Do not let the noise of the world drown out the soft, quiet voice of hope within you. Allah sees you. He knows how hard you are trying. He knows the battles you fight in secret, the tears you wipe away before anyone notices, and the strength it takes to keep going every single day. He is close, closer than your next breath. If your heart is searching for peace, seek it in the quiet hours before dawn. When the world is quiet, Allah descends to the lowest heaven, asking, "Who is calling upon me so that I may answer them? Who is asking of me so that I may give to them?" In those precious moments, pour out your heart completely. Do not hold back. Tell Him your fears, your dreams, your desires. That quiet hour holds the power to change your entire life. So, when will Allah listen to your heart? He is listening right now. He has been listening every single second. Place your hand over your heart. Feel it beat. Every heartbeat is a reminder that you are still here, that your journey is not over, and that Allah is not done writing your story. Trust the timing. Trust the journey. Trust the Creator. Rest your heart in peace today, knowing that what is meant for you will never miss you, and what has missed you was never meant for you. Allah is with you, always.